Hello and welcome to Cohesive Garage. Look what just came in the mail. I pre-ordered my S24 Ultra and we are going to unbox it. Yeah, do not accept if the seal is broken. Oh, it's a tear open? Let's try that. Let's get this open. Let's unbox this phone. Wow, I was thinking, how can I do this one-handed? And I have a razor blade, but look at this. Look how easy they make it for you to ravage your new device. One-handed. Rah! Rah! Now let's see if we can... Oh my gosh. They don't mess around. Look how small the box is, by the way. They, okay. Interesting. But man, that's beautiful. That is fancy. But very small box. My older boxes for my older phones were always thicker than this. But here's my books and stuff. There's the SIM card accessory, it looks like. And then what's this? It's just a pull tab that's stuck to the front cover. Very cool. I love that this has a flat screen because all my my Galaxies and Notes. I'm going from a Note 10, by the way, but I had the Galaxy S1, S3, S5, S9, and then I got into the Notes, and then I've had just multiple Notes. Man, that's a thick bump. Well, hopefully my case makes that flush, or at least covers that. Man, those things really stick out. I hope they work great. What else do we got? We got a nice bed for it to lie in. Man, this is exceptionally minimal. Did I get my money's worth? All right, well, hopefully my pocket computer is where the money went, because this thing was not cheap. What does it say here? Okay, don't let water, no, don't stick your SIM card tool into the microphone holes, is what that says, I believe. But let me know in the comments if it means anything. Oh, that feels good. Oh man. Oh man. That is a nice material. That's a great material. I am a fan. Is there anything else I'm missing? Well, let's try to turn it on. What do you think? Well, let's look over it. We've got on the top 2 small pinholes, microphones, I'll say. And then that's a microphone next to the SIM tray. So stick your hole into that right side. And what's that on the left? Speaker. Speaker's on the left. Where's the top speaker? I'm very curious about how they do the top speaker on this, because there is just glass and just metal. So, okay, we got buttons on the side. So it looks like volume and power. And then there's this on the side. What is this? Is that just a grip? There's not that on the other side. So I got a lot of research to do on this phone, but let's hold this button down and see what happens. Nothing. How about a double tap? Aha! And it is happily waking up. It's probably my crappy light which makes it look so bad. If you got side light, it just, look at all the mess on it. All right, let's get this going. Let me figure out the SIM card. All right, well, while I'm letting this restart, I'm in love with the bezels and the construction of the phone. I think it's beautiful. So I just compared this to my Note 10, and my Note 10 is roughly the same size. This is so slightly wider, taller, I mean, like a millimeter. But the thickness, this is definitely thicker here by a very small amount, 1 or 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter probably, but then the camera bumps make a significant thickness difference. So I'm excited about the AI. I'm excited about the cameras. I'm excited about having, apps that are up to date. So very excited about my new purchase. Thanks for watching. Cheers.